Hi friends, my name is Tamira and this is my channel. Welcome. Good morning, good afternoon, good day, good evening, good night from wherever you're watching and whatever time you're watching. So today we're going to be making steak and eggs with crispy onions. Thank you for watching. Thank you for not tuning out. Stay true to yourself. Be kind to everybody. Peace out.